She worked day and night,
without stopping.
ignoring every warning her body gave.
She took care of everyone, but she forgot to take care of herself. And one day, it cost her everything. Here's your lunch, sweetie.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy!
Have a great day, kiddo.
Love you!
Sophie, hurry up, sweetheart.
Mom, you're already done with everything?
Almost. Just sit, I'll serve you.
Emma, you've been working since early morning again?
Someone has to do it, right?
But you don't have to do everything alone.
I'm used to it, don't worry.
Being used to it doesn't mean it's okay.
Yes, just a little tired.
You say that every day.
It's nothing. I'll rest later.
You say that every day.
It's nothing. I'll rest later.
You never rest.
Almost ready, sweetie.
Mom, I'm gonna be late!
I'll get the car started.
Thanks, hun.
Bye, Mom!
Okay, kitchen done. Now cleaning the room, then laundry. Why am I feeling so tired today? No, I can't stop now. Hello. Yes. Yes, I'll finish everything. Don't worry. I'll rest later, after everything is done for. Maybe I should sit for a minute, think on. No, there's still work left around.
Emma, you're still in the kitchen? It's very late.
I know, but I need to finish this.
Let me help you. You've been working all day. Please stop now.
If I don't do it now, I'll have more work in the mornings.
That's not important right now.
I'm fine, just a little tired.
Emma, are you okay?
Yes, just a little dizzy.
That's it. You're not doing anything more tonight.
There's still work left.
Dad, look at this! I made a big tower!
That's nice, sweetheart. Emma, it's late. Why are you still cleaning?
The house is messy. I just want to finish this.
You can do it tomorrow, Lo.
Tomorrow will be even more.
Mom, come play with me!
Just a few minutes, sweetheart. Let me finish this first.
Emma, are you feeling okay?
Yes, just tired.
You keep saying that.
Just finish everything, then rest.
Mom, come play with me!
Just a minute, sweetheart.
Mom, are you okay?
Yeah, just a little headache.
Emma, this is not normal. You look really tired.
It's nothing, just stress.
You've been saying that for days.
I'll rest tomorrow, I promise.
You always say tomorrow.
John, I feel...
Emma!
Mom, please wake up, please.
No, this can't be happening. Emma, can you hear me? Say something!
Dad, why isn't Mom talking to me?
She's just unconscious. She'll wake up. Emma, don't do this, please. You can't leave us like this.
I'm scared. Please wake up.
No, I need help right now. Hello, please, send an ambulance quickly. My wife collapsed. She's not waking up. Hello, we need an ambulance. My wife and daughter are in trouble. Please hurry. She's having trouble breathing. Yes, 123 Oak Street, hurry. Honey, stay with me. Sir, step back. Let us check her.
Weak pulse. We need to move fast.
I'll get the oxygen.
We need to take her to the hospital immediately.
Don't take my mom away.
We're going with her. We're not leaving her.
Dad, why is Mom not talking?
She will. She just needs help.
Stay calm, sir. We're monitoring her.
You promised me we'd always be together, and
Mom will come back, right?
yes, she will.
Move quickly! Move quickly!
Emma, I'm right here!
Dad, why did they close the door?
They're helping her.
I don't like this place.
Me neither. I should have forced her to rest.
She was always working for us.
And we didn't stop her.
Dad, what if Mom doesn't wake up?
God, Spain. Don't say that. Your mom is strong, man. She's fighting.
I just want her to hug me again.
She will. I promise.
Mr. John,
How is she? Is she okay? Please tell me she's okay.
please, try to stay calm.
Just tell me the truth.
Your wife suffered a sudden brain hemorrhage.
Brain hemorrhage?
What does that mean? It means there was internal bleeding in her brain.
How did this happen?
Severe stress, continuous physical exhaustion, and not taking enough rest.
She was working all the time. I told her to rest and I didn't stop her.
Right now, her condition is critical.
Critical?
Yes, the next few hours are very important.
Dad, I don't understand. Is Mom gonna leave us?
No, don't say that, nurse.
We have controlled the bleeding for now, but her body is very weak.
Please, save her. I'll do anything. We are doing everything we can.
Right now, the best thing you can do is stay strong for her.
Dad, I just want my mom.
She's fighting, and we'll fight with her. God, please listen to me. I know I made mistakes. I didn't take care of her the way I should have.
God, please make my mom okay.
Please, give her one more chance. Take anything, but not her.
I'll be a good girl, I promise. Just bring my mom back. Dad, do you think God will listen to us?
He always listens. And your mom is fighting. She won't give up.
I'll wait here until she wakes up.
Me too.
Mr. John,
Doctor, please tell me, how is she?
she is stable now.
Stable?
Yes, she responded to the treatment.
I was okay.
She is out of immediate danger.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
The results are positive. She's going to be fine.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
I was so scared.
It's okay now.
Can we see her?
Yes, but only for a few minutes. She is still very weak.
Emma.
John. My little girl.
You scared us.
I'm sorry.
No, don't say that. Just don't leave us again, bad.
I won't, no. You have to rest now, okay?
Doctor,
Yes, doctor.
when can I go home?
I understand you want to go home, but right now, your body still needs observation. Doctor, how long will that take? Doctor, how long will that take? We'll continue regular checkups today and tomorrow. We'll monitor your blood pressure, neurological response, and overall recovery.
Thank you, doctor. That means Mom will be okay, right?
Yes, if your condition remains stable and all reports come back normal, we can discharge you tomorrow or very soon after. Good, you're awake. That's a very positive sign.
Doctor, what exactly happened to me?
You had a brain hemorrhage. There was internal bleeding in your brain due to extreme stress and exhaustion.
Brain hemorrhage?
Yes. But you are stable now, and we have controlled the situation in time.
So Mom is okay now?
She is out of immediate danger, but she is still very weak.
I didn't realize it was this serious.
Your body was giving you warning signs, headaches, dizziness, fatigue. But you are stable now, and we have controlled the situation in time.
Yes, I felt tired almost every day.
And you ignored those signs. You never stopped working.
I just wanted everything to be perfect. For both of you, do. Health always comes first.
If you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to take care of anyone else.
I understand now.
From now on, you need complete rest. No stress, no heavy work, no overexertion. Your recovery depends on how well you take care of yourself. From now on, you need complete rest. No stress, no heavy work, no overexertion. Your recovery depends on how well you take care of yourself.
How long will it take to recover, me?
It varies, but you need at least a few weeks of proper rest and monitoring.
Doctor, we will take care of everything.
She won't do any work. That's exactly what she needs, support from families.
I'll help too. I won't let Mom work at all.
That's very good. Also remember, if you feel dizziness, headache, or weakness again, don't ignore it. Seek help immediately.
I won't ignore it again.
You're lucky you got treatment on time. Now focus on healing. And don't worry, you're going to be okay. No stress, no housework, no physical strain. Your body needs time to heal completely. Don't worry, doctor. I'll take care of everything.
Me too. Mom won't do anything.
You heard him. No more overworking.
Yes, I promise. Now it's our turn to take care of you. John, are you awake?
Yes, I'm right here.
What did the doctor say about tomorrow?
They'll do some tests in the morning and check your reports.
Will the reports be okay?
Don't worry, you're already feeling better.
If the reports are normal, can we go home?
Yes, I think so. If everything is fine, they'll discharge you.
I just want to go home.
You will, very soon.
John,
Yes, I'm here.
I'm sorry. I caused so much trouble. I know. Don't say that, Matt.
You scared me.
I didn't realize I was pushing myself so much.
You were doing everything alone. We just need you.
I promise. I'll take care of myself now.
Now just sleep. I'm right here. Good morning. How are you feeling today?
I feel much better, doctor.
Any dizziness or weakness?
No, I feel fine now.
Is she really okay? Yes, she's stable. Her home today. Doctor, how are her reports? Her reports are normal. She is recovering well.
Really?
Yes, you can take her home today.
Thank you so much.
But remember, complete rest. No stress, no heavy work. Don't worry, doctor. We'll take care of her.
Mom will only rest.
The results are in, and everything looks great.
Oh, that's wonderful news.
Thank you, doctor.
We're so grateful.
Of course. The test results are back, and everything looks normal. Oh, that's a relief.
Thank you, doctor.
Of course.
Don't ignore your health.
Because your family doesn't need perfection.
They need you. If this story touched your heart,
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
and don't forget to share it with your loved ones. She survived, but her life was about to change.
What happens next will change everything.